Thank you for coming to my video. Today, if you haven't noticed yet, we are doing 80s aerobics. That's right, y'all. So come on, get out your butt and let's get to this tutorial. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, thank you for coming back, girl. Welcome. So if you haven't already guessed, you know, I love me a good theme. If you tell me to go somewhere and it's a theme, I'm there. I'm sorry. So today's theme is 80s, early 90s. I'm giving you Saved by the Bell vibes. So if you want to learn how to throw it back, old school style, keep watching. Let's get physical, physical. Okay, so my face is already primed and moisturized. You know the drill. I'm just gonna do a little bit of light coverage since I am still gonna work out and my skin still needs to breathe. So instead of a foundation, I'm going to use this IT Cosmetics CC cream. It has SPF 50 plus anti-aging, so you already know. I don't really like this CC cream, but for light coverage, it's good. And I'm just going to use my fingers because that's what we did in the 80s, girl. I like to set my foundation, so I'm going to do the same with this. I'm going to use my go-to, my Skindinavia makeup finishing spray. Then I'm just going to take a little bit of setting powder, this Airspun setting powder. Just lightly dust it all over my face. Again, this is light coverage, don't get it twisted. And I'm just going to put a little bit of color in my skin, and I'm using my go-to, the Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. I usually use the pad, but in this case I'm just going to do the brush, again for light coverage. Okay, now that that's done, we gotta bring some color to this face because that's what the 80s were about. They had the blush up to here. So for that, I'm gonna use this Dream Mousse blush right here. I'm gonna try to take it all the way up to my temple too, because that's how they did in the 80s. And for a little bit more blush, I'm gonna take this e.l.f. I think this one is in peach. And we're gonna take it all the way up to the hairline. And I really didn't have much highlighter in the 80s, but I just want to be extra. So I'm going to take this Holographic Halo highlighter from NYX. I'm just going to add some highlight. That's 80s. Tell me that's not 80s right there. Don't have a sponge on, so I'm just going to blend that with my hand. Ooh! This doesn't scream 80s. I don't know what does. Another thing the 80s were big on were bold brows. So I'm going to take my usual NYX Micro Brow Pencil, but this time I'm just going to be a little bit more thick. So let me zoom in real quick. So I'm just doing my usual strokes, but this time I'm going a little outside of my brow line because, you know, 80s brows were bushy, so we want to achieve a bushy brow look. And we can clean this up later or not, whatever you feel like doing. I'm just gonna brush it out real quick. I'm being a little more heavy-handed than usual, just so you guys know. Okay, so look at this. 80s brow, no brow. What do you guys think? 80s? I think so. I just want to mess my brows up a bit more. I'm not going to brush them in the usual direction. I think going against that direction is more of an 80s vibe. You know, they were kind of scraggly, shaggy brows, so I'm going to do that here. I think that looks more 80s. Call me crazy, but I think I may even take a little bit of my mascara just to hold the brows in place. I don't have clear mascara, but this should do. And it'll give us a little bit of a darker brow that we're looking for. Yes, that's what I want, girl. You can be messy with this, it's fine. It's just to set the brows in place. Ooh, look at that brow, girl. That's what I want to achieve. Yes. If you're going to use a mascara, make sure it's just one with a really thin bristle so you can catch those little hairs. Look at that. Look at the difference that made. Wow, those are 80s brows. Look at that. I'm so proud of my brows. Look at this. That looks great. Now that we've done the brows, we're going to go ahead and do the eyeshadow because, I mean, who doesn't work out with eyeshadow in the 80s? Hello. Alright, so I'm taking this L'Oreal Paris Project Runway palette. It's the most 80s palette I owned. I figured, why not? And for the sake of the 80s, let's go ahead and use the old school little brush. I'm so scared. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is, I think I should prime my eyeshadow first. So we're going to prime first with any concealer is fine. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm going to take this all the way up to my brow bone because, you know, 80s, they went past the crease. I'll blend that with my finger. I'm going to start with this electric blue right here. It's a good thing I used the primer, otherwise I'd have a lot of fallout. Okay, so that was a good base. Do the other eye real quick. I still think I need to use a brush to blend this electric shock out. Okay, so I'm just going to take this brush to blend it out a bit. Oh, not bad. I'm going to take it past the crease bone. And that's what they did. I'm scared to go all the way up, but I know I have to. Now I'm gonna go in with this Aqua color. See if I can add that to my crease. Not bad. That's not bad. It's not too bad. What do you guys think? Too much for the gym? I don't think so. Ooh, that actually, let me tell you, that's not too bad. Listen, I ain't no makeup artist, but in the 80s, I would have been popping. Look at that. That is some nice 80s makeup, if I don't say so myself. Okay. So now that we've passed the crease zone, we made it all the way to the brow bone, people. Let's do the crease. So I'm thinking the purple in the crease. And for that, I'm gonna go back old school style. Clean off some of this excess glue. See if that helps. Look at that purple, y'all. Look at that. Not too bad. This is nice. For 80s standards, at least. I think I might even, what do you guys think? Take it to my brow bone. I mean my eye line, my waterline. Let's see. Oh well, might as well. Can't turn back now. I took a little bit of this dark blue towards the corner of my eye. See if that makes a difference. Give it more of a cat eye look. Alright, I think that's enough because I got too much going on here. That's my 80s makeup, y'all. Alright, and now last but not least, I'm going to take that same mascara. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. I'm going to do my mascara. I'm going to put on this mascara. I usually only do like one coat. But in the 80s, I feel like they did like triple that. So let's see. Okay, so that's one coat, y'all. Okay, so that's one coat, top and bottom lashes. Let's try another coat. And I think this one, I don't really like this mascara. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all because it clumps a lot. It's the CoverGirl Peacock Flare. You know, all mascaras claim they don't clump. This one clumps. And I think for this occasion, I want some clump. So let me just do a second coat with this one and y'all will see what I'm talking about. Oh, now you don't want to clump, huh? There's some clumpage there. That's the word. I think I should be good with just these two coats. Let's see. What do you guys think? I think those are 80s. Okay, last but not least, we're gonna move on to the lips. For that, I'm going to use ColourPop's Lippie Stix and Heart On, which is a bright 80s pink. And I'm just going to finish off with the Skindinavia finishing spray once more. And of course, I got the wristbands. Might as well put on the headband. And this is the final look, guys. Get your 80s workout on if this is for Halloween or for a theme party. This is your look, girl. You'll be popping. Get those squats in, girl. Look at those brows. I'm loving these brows. Look at that.
Get the party going on the dance floor. See, cause that's where the party's at, and you find out if you do that. I want a place to stay. Get your booty on the floor tonight.
Made of plastic, put me in the fridge. I'll be elastic, not wearing. We are curious, we don't worry about later. Serious, when we're young it doesn't matter. Precarious.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. I love a good theme. I love doing this for you guys. I love doing this for me. But if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and comment below, what is your favorite 80s throwback style? Do you like the aerobics 80s like this? Do you like hip hop 80s? Do you like rock 80s? What look do you like? Because there's so many looks in the 80s and the 90s. Make sure to comment below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Girl, my shade.